Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bureau. This is the down and dirty of setting up your Google site. Real simple, real easy. Guys, this is not hard at all. That's the beautiful part about it. Google has made it pretty easy for us to put one together. So here's how it goes. Let's get started. First thing you need to click on is the apps launcher for Google. Okay, the Google App Launcher, boom. Click on this, open it up. You should see sites here at the top. If you don't, all you need to scroll down a little bit and see if you find it. As you see, it just looks like this. Okay, click on Sites, click on the app, open this up. Now we're going to use Google Sites New Sites, which it should come up on your screen. If it doesn't, and it says Classic Sites, and there should be a button down in the lower left-hand corner down here that says Switch to New Sites. Okay. We want to be in the new sites, not classic. So make sure that you've got that set up. Next step, let's get started by creating a site. How do we do it? Well, we're going to come up here. We're going to click on blank. Once it opens, first step you must do is you've got to give your site a name. Right here where it says Untitled Site, give yourself a name. Give it a name. So I'm just going to call mine Mr. Bureau. Boom. Once I've hit enter, the site is now named. Okay. This one I keep screwing that up. All right. Let's go over some of the basics of the page. Over here on the right hand side, up at the top, first thing I want you to do is share your page with me. My name is Mr. Bureau. How do you do that? Click on the share button. Go in, and here's my email address. If you're not sure how to spell it, it's simply thomasbureau@u-46.org, which shows up right here. When you do that, when you click on the name here, okay, say I wanted to share it with my friend James. I'm going to give it to him. You're going to get this notification process. You're going to leave him as an editor or leave me as the editor. I want you to click off to notify. Do not notify me, okay? Because I get an email saying that you shared it with me. That's great. But I can actually go into my Google Drive and actually look at your guys' stuff on the shared with me folder, okay? So once you've got that typed in, click share. That'll disappear, and you've shared it with me, okay? So we've got that taken care of. Now, you're going to take care of the controls over here on the right hand side. These are how you put stuff on your page and add pages and change colors and all of that fun stuff. We want some basics. Well, up here, this is where your banner, remember that banner that you're creating for your graphic design page or your graphic design summative? That's going to go here. You're just going to upload an image. Change image, upload it, put your uploaded image in there. Where is it at? Okay, this is what I did. This is what mine looks like. Now, see this thing where it says your page title? We want to click on this and then just delete it. All right, now you see how the screen has gotten a little bit darker up here? I want to take that off. So that's where you do this remove readability factor. So we click off of that. Now you'll see my background is a little bit light, and I'm going to have to update that because I can't see the home button up here. All right, so I might have to change the color of that. All right, but for now we're going to leave it as it is because I've only got the one page. So anything you want to add to your page, you have to insert it. Okay, that's using the insert button, and here's all of the different things that you have available to you to insert. You can insert text, you can insert images, you can embed something. If you have the HTML code to embed, you can embed it onto your website. All right. We'll get into embedding later on. If you know how to do it right now, go for it if you want to do it. And also stuff on your Google Drive. So if you've got images on Google Drive, you can just drag them over and put them on. We're in good shape. If you want to change the layout or modify the layout of your website, you can do that. You can use any one of these sites, anything that's on here, or you can do it on your own, like that. You can add different segments. So now I've got 4 images here. I've got images here. I've got this factor. It's up to you how you want to do it. Now, this is where it gets fun. You got all of these different options available to you to add to your site. And you can put these anywhere on your page if you want to. If you've got a YouTube channel or a YouTube video that you want, a YouTube channel, if it's your channel and it doesn't say your email address, your U46 email address, right now we're going to keep that off. We're not going to put that on there. If you want to add a calendar, you want to add all of these other things on here, all you have to do is drag it over and say you want to add a YouTube channel of somebody or a YouTube video that is pertinent to what you're doing or you have an enjoyment of. Okay, you can add that in here, and just click on the address of the YouTube channel, and boom, pop it in, and click select, and it will show up right here. Same thing with all of these other items. Okay, it doesn't matter what they are. Now, second part. Right now we have only one page. Okay, one page. We want to add a second page. Right down here, we're going to click add, and you're going to call it artifact. And click done. So now we have two pages, and again, it's on top of here. I want to get rid of that because I don't want that to be blocked. These two things up here, I want to change those, but we'll get to those in a minute. Okay, so now we have two pages. We have the home page and we have an artifacts page. The artifacts is where you're going to upload all of your evidence of your work that you want to highlight. So images that you've created, projects that we did, you're going to put all of that information in here in the artifact. For now, though, we're going to focus in on just the homepage and designing, developing, creating the homepage. We want to fix this. So what do we want to fix? Colors. Okay, we want to make it a little bit darker. Okay, so now I can see our websites there, or the sites that we have available to us, home and artifacts. Okay, for now, we're going to keep that and work on your graphic design banner summative. Get that done. When you're done changing everything, up here in the top right, you're going to click on Publish. Okay? That's like saving. Publishing is saving. If you have any questions, ask Mr. B.